Hello, welcome to Alaga's English again. This is a brief tutorial on using Google Classroom for my class. All assignments will be posted in Google Classroom. You will turn them into Google Classroom, and it'll also be the place where the rubrics will be, your scores on papers, and ultimately where your grade will be posted accurately. Eventually, your Google Classroom will be loaded with classes. Mine will be there and it'll be listed. I will either have the assigned class or have a name like here, English 3 or English 4. If you click on the actual class, you'll see I will already have posted in the stream. It defaults up here on the top to stream. This is comments, assignments, materials, anything your teacher posts on Classroom will end up in this stream. If you click on the classwork tab, it'll show what classwork you've turned in. If you click view your work, it'll show what has been assigned, whether you've turned it in. So on this side, it'll say assigned. If it's late, it'll say missing. If you've turned it in, it'll say turned in and awaiting approval. Here, once you've turned in papers, will be a percentage, and that percentage will be aligned with the grades. If you go to the assignment that is posted here, you'll see there'll be a copy of the assignment with your name on it. In addition, if you go back to the stream, you'll see here posted new assignment, reading assignment. It'll take you to this. It says the number of points possible. It gives a brief description. This is always running. It contains an introduction, passages that are on violence, and introduces the memoir project. It has the rubric that is being used. If you use the pull down, it'll show you the criteria that are going to be used to score your assignment. Again, here is your copy. You can add other things to what you're turning in. You can turn it in from here. You can post a comment to me about this that no one else can see. If you click on the document, it'll open up as a Google Doc, and you'll see here in the top it will have your first, last name and the title of this agenda. So you already have a copy of it that has been made for you with your name on it. And once you do work in it, you can click the Turn In button here in the upper right-hand corner directly off of the document itself. So the document is set up for you to actually type inside of it. So you can type. I want you to notice that it is highlighted in aquamarine intentionally so that when you turn it in, I can see what you have written so that that material stands out. The notes are in aquamarine. You will see all of the responses are in aquamarine. So when you finish doing part of the work and you say turn it in, turn in, and you click through on all the turn in, okay, it'll have an unsubmit button. Unsubmit means that you have turned in this work, and in order to do more work on it, to change it, you would have to unsubmit it and then resubmit. And your teacher would know when you originally submitted it and when you resubmitted it. Okay, so once I've turned it in, when I go back to my class and I look under classwork now, it will now show that I have the reading assignment there. It'll also show view my work, and it'll now show that it has been turned in. Once the paper has been scored and then handed back using the rubric, under your classwork, there will be a grade posted up here that will reflect that. Under Google Calendar, if you click on this, it will launch Calendar and it will show these assignments. So here it is, assignment reading, and you can click on that and know what the assignment was. If you click on the Google Drive, class drive folder, it will take you to your drive and show you where your actual documents are on your drive so that later you can access this. If you have any questions about how to use Google Classroom or to complete any portion of these assignments, please email me or contact me through some other means and get it clarified.